Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we are going to see Ethereum and we are going to see why Ethereum looks bearish. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start right now with Ethereum and why it looks bearish. First of all, Ethereum had a nice pump over the previous day. You can see on 13 October where we had the CPI data revealed and it was at 8.2%. We had a correction, huge correction, and then huge pump. And afterwards, the thing is here that we are not seeing the pump that we saw back then, okay? We are seeing a correction going on, a little bit of a pump each day and then correction. And right now we are going sideways. Now, what is next and why Ethereum did get rejected? We are going to say everything. Do not worry about that. First of all, let's start with the technical analysis. In the technical analysis right here, we are holding for now a bottom trend line, which is this one. But at the end of the day, you can see that we are breaking down, okay? We are about to break down and go even lower with the RSI pattern in the daily frame. This is bad. If we do not hold this bottom trend line, we are going to fall down. The most probable scenario is not to hold it and eventually fall further down. The commodity channel index in an oversold situation, but we do not care about the commodity channel index right now as we care about the daily RSI. All the other risk metrics are in neutral positions. This means that we do not have any oversold, any overbought situation at all. Let's go to the 4-hour frame as well. And in the 4-hour frame, you can see that we can correct even more. The RSI is neutral. The stochastic RSI is neutral as well. Commodity channel index neutral at the 70, -70, and so on and so on. So you can see that Ethereum can correct even in the shorter time frames, and you can see the rejection that we are having right here, -1.21%, nothing hugely special, but at the same time I'm going to tell you right now why I'm thinking that Ethereum is totally bearish, because we had a nice bearish pennant. Okay, this was a nice bearish pennant formation that we had. First of all, what we did was to get rejected from this timeline, from this top trend line right here, you can see. Okay, so bearish pennant closing below, then getting rejected from the top trend line and from the bottom trend line. Look at the 4-hour frame right here. Okay, I'm going to start the bottom trend line from this bottom and connecting all the bottoms. And you can see right now that whenever we have a bearish pennant, what we are doing is we are getting beyond. Sometimes we are having a buying pressure until the bottom trend line and then we get rejected. This is a short position. Okay, this is a chance to short Ethereum out. So bearish pennant getting rejected from the bottom trend line. The Feds and the institutions are getting in right here. Where we get rejected, they are getting in, pushing the price down. That's why we are going down. That's why a short position should be immediately activated for Ethereum. And Ethereum does not look good. Okay, Ethereum on the other hand against Bitcoin chart is looking even worse, and in the next few weeks it is going to undergo into a huge correction. Okay, it will undergo a huge correction to go further down. Right now for Ethereum, what we are expecting and what are the support levels, because right now I'm believing that Ethereum is going to go further down. Let's see the support levels of the Ethereum against USDT chart. You can see that Ethereum against USDT is going further down, probably into the 1132. In the logarithmic scale, we have the 1056. So I'm going to put a support line between the 1058 and the 1132, around this area right here. Okay, there is a huge support level for Ethereum against USDT chart. Into this area right there, we are going probably to land and have the next buying pressure. But until then, do not expect anything spectacular for Ethereum. This is a -11% to -17% correction. This is a huge correction for Ethereum, but it is going probably to happen. And this is why I want you to be careful right there, because if we go down to all these levels, Bitcoin will fall down as well. But Bitcoin has something bullish, which I've showed you in the video yesterday. Okay, we have bullish pattern, bullish pennant in the RSI. And this is something that might change the direction, the trend a little bit later on, because it is on the weekly scale. Right now though, Ethereum is going to correct. Check the targets after the few weeks right there. Okay, we are not going to go there down into the next 1 to 2 days. Into the 4-hour frame, we go to the 4-hour frame and we see some support levels right here. the best thing that we can do with Ethereum, it is that we are going to go down to the 1256, find a little bit of a buying pressure, but in overall, in the shorter time frames, you can see that we are heading down here. Okay, I think that Ethereum is going to head down to the 1256. This is another minus 2% correction around there, and we are going to go further down. This is for the next few hours, probably around this area, finding a little bit of a buying pressure, going sideways. You know, we won't have any huge price action, but I believe that we are going to go further down for sure for Ethereum. So protect yourselves from going long. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.